बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। चूँकि 12th मज लेक्चर सीरीज कंटिन्यू करित लेक्चर जो मे यो मानो हाइब्रिड क्रॉस पे ये मज पेरेंटो सजेस्ट कोर कि अगर तुम जेनेटिक्स करू गो पे शुरू ताकि कंसेप्ट यह असल पे समझ। इंशाल्लाह मे जोन मुनासिब इस करो जेनेटिक्स इस इम्पॉर्टेंट सब्जेक्ट ऑफ बायोलॉजी फॉर क्लास 12th ये स्टूडेंट्स बेस बनान फॉर फर्दर स्टडी खतर। स्टूडेंट फर्दर स्टडी करान अगर तमिस बेस कमजोर तो सह मुश्किलात बुथ सह बुथ कमजोर रोजान। तो खास कर सारे खुद कमजोरी रोजान सह गो यह जेनेटिक्स साइंस मज। इंशाल्लाह कर बह कोशिश पे एतबार कि जेनेटिक्स परनावो शुरू पे ताकि इम्पॉर्टेंट ब्रांच ऑफ साइंस अत मे गि इंशाल्लाह कहीं डिफिकल्टी रोजन ब्रोट कुन। आज परनाबो गोडनुक टॉपिक जेनेटिक्स क्या गो, जेनेटिक्स कंसेप्ट कम दुत, जेनेटिक्स कत वनान यम सात बच्चे जवान या नई नई ऑर्गेनिज्म तम ऑर्गेनिज्म क्या रलान पेरेंटन सत पोत क्या बैकग्राउंड सह करो इंशाल्लाह आज जान कोशिश। तम ब्रोट पको ब्रोट कुन तो वारियान जैन वुचमुत तो वारियो अत पे थोड़ा बहुत तुम हैरान गमित कि ह्यूमन बीइंग क्या हमेशा ह्यूमन बीइंग दिवान, यानी why human beings gave birth to human beings, why not some other animals। इथा पे अगर कैट्स यम क्या हमेशा दिवान give birth to cats, why not some other animals। सिमिलरली अगर प्लांट हज कत करो मेज प्लांट मकाई कुल निशान यु फ्लावर बनावान अम पे पॉड बनान कॉब बनान मकाई वुड वनान अत बेल पे बेल जमीन लागान यु बेल जमीन लगित पे जर्मिनेट गसान यह बी मकाई कुल दिवान। यह मकाई बेल क्या हमेशा मकई दिवान, ह्यूमन बीइंग क्या हमेशा ह्यूमन बीइंग दिवान। एंड बाकी यम जानवर यम ज़ात तम क्या हमेशा पेरेंटन ही ऑफस्प्रिंग दिवान। अत पोत क्या बोड़ वजह सह करो आज जान कोशिश। यह क्वेश्चन आंसर दिन खातर आव नो ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस एंड दैट ब्रांच ऑफ बायोलॉजी is called as genetics, is called as genetics। The word genetics has been derived from a Greek word, geno, G-E-N-N-O, geno, which in English means give birth। The word genetics was first proposed by a British biologist. It was proposed by a British biologist William Bateson. Ömür sund naw ç William Bateson. And this term in 1906. According to William Bateson, each one define current genetics. If we करो genetics define. According to William Bateson, genetics is that branch of biology which deals with the scientific study of heredity and variation. That means genetics is made up of two components. It has two branches. First is heredity, second is variation. What is heredity? Transmission of characters. Transmission of characters from parents to offsprings. Transmission of characters from parents to offsprings. And second is variation. Variation क्या हो? Differences or dissimilarities. DSSIMILARITIS. Differences or dissimilarities shown by the individuals, shown by the offsprings. Offsprings means individuals formed through sexual reproduction, shown by the offsprings of the same parent or same species. And the mechanism by which characters are transmitted from parent to offsprings, either similarities as in case of heredity or differences as in case of variation. That mechanism or the process or mechanism by which characters are transmitted from parent to offspring. And that's called as inheritance. INHERITANC. Inheritance. That's called as inheritance. Now we take some examples in order to understand heredity. Number one, children always resembles. Children always resembles their parents. Resembles their parents in overall characteristics. Similarly, on seeing a newborn infant, Yap no ak baş jawan chu. Parents always remark, often remark. Yim parent chasan, mol chasan, mol chasan. They often remark that he or she has mother's nose or father's eyes, or sometimes grandfather's ears. Third example, this resemblance among the individuals or offsprings of the same species, this resemblance Hishar Shiman Asan Panwa Ralanch, this resemblance among the offsprings of the same parent, it give rise to English proverb. It gives rise to English proverb that is like begets like. Yet one should coach important. He and he is Jawan. He and he catches Jawan. As characters are transmitted from parent to offspring through heredity. And doyum, that is variation. Early human beings knew that major cause of variation early human beings about 8000 to 1000 BC many people agree or they knew that major cause of variation was hidden in the process of sexual reproduction. Bront kali yim luk ٲسۍ تِم ٲسۍ وَنان یِم ہسا نٔے آفسپرنگ آسان چھِ تِمن چھِ کینٛہہ کریکٹٲرٕس آسان یِم نہٕ رلٲنی چھِ پیرنٹن سۭتۍ یِم چھِ ہاوان کینٛہہ ڈفرنسز کینٛہہ ڈسملیرٹیٖز یِم نہٕ رلٲنی چھِ پیرنٹن سۭتۍ یِم چھِ وَنان یِم ہسا گٔے ویریشن یِم ویریشن چھِ آسان یہِ ویریشن چھِ امیُک میجر کاز چھُ آسان دیٹ از سیکچُوَل رِپرٛوڈکشن میٖنٕز تِمن پلانٹن یِمن سیکچُوَل رِپرٛوڈکشن یا آرگنِزمن یِمن یہِ سیکچُوَل رِپرٛوڈکشن گژھان چھُ they are somewhat different from those organisms from which they are derived, means parents. And them organisms which are formed through another mode of reproduction, that's called as asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Yom asan tiza zar difference asan kihin. Tawai cha asan yem individual cha asan they are formed through asexual reproduction. They are genetically similar. We call them as clones. Yim cha asan sari akagis he, but the individuals are offsprings formed through sexual reproduction. They are somewhat different. And early scientists, they also use this variation. They also exploit this variation for production of new crop varieties. For production of new crop varieties. In case of crop, improvement program. That means in case of second one, variation, the offspring of the same parent are not alike, but differences occurs which lead to variation. Regarding this mechanism of inheritance, how characters are transmitted from parent to offspring and what causes the variation, different biologists gave different hypotheses regarding this inheritance pattern. For example, you have a fluid theory, you have another theory that's called as vapor hypothesis, you have another theory called as blending hypothesis, but none of the hypotheses was accepted by the then scientists and all the theories were rejected. It was during mid 19th century that paved a way for understanding this inheritance pattern. Emkulo ak wathak, emkulo ak darwazak is on the corner in order to understand inheritance pattern. So what khule in the form of a great scholar, come or religious leader, Emsun now chu Gregor John Mendel. Gregor John Mendel chu godnuk su nafar, godnuk su scholar come religious leader, yem clear cut principles did how characters are transmitted from parent to offsprings in the form of laws popularly known as Mendel's laws. Before we move forward, I am going to speak about kunat chunki yem chu variya bada karnam anjam ditmut yet base per emsa one father of genetics, ema foundation koyim kor for modern genetics. लिहाजा एम्ब्रोड इसको बोट के थोड़ा पर लाइफ हिस्ट्री अबाउट ग्रीगर जॉन मेंडल. ग्रीगर जॉन मेंडल्स लाइफ हिस्ट्री जाव कर तो अम जिंदगी मज खास यम एयर्स यम ब्यूटीफुल एयर्स थोड़ा करो तो मुतलिक जान कोशिश. Now we write that I will give a brief description about Mendel's life history. Inshallah, bakar कोशिश ये वारिया सहल बनावनिच so that कि तो अगर आराम सान फिक्र. Gregor John Mendel. Born in 1824 and died in 1884. 1822 and died in 1884. In year 1822, Mendel was born in poor farmer's family, peasant's family in Moravia in Austria. Austria's akis gamus mazan yet Moravia was now patizaw ake garib khandan mazan. In the year 1843 Ardashit Tejas Muskur 1843 did graduation and because of poverty garibi was gari, that's why man joined Augustinian monastery in Brann. In 1848, because of honesty and hard work, Mendel took the name Grieger. Ne lakab almış dini. Grieger. In the same year, 1848, Mendel was appointed as head of monastery. Official or religious leader. Now was thought Abbot, Abbot, official or religious leader. In the year 1851, Mendel left monastery for some time and through the monastery. Monastery was a church Rosanos. In 1851, man left monastery for some time, for further study. Karna khatra. And joined Vienna University, VIENNA, Vienna University, for study karne khatir. So study physics study karne khatir. Then mathematics and three subjects study for, that is natural history and also science. And this one natural history and natural science. And after 2 years, Mendel did his PG post graduation in 1853 and returned to monastery back while in the monastery. Man also did another job that he did as a job of substitute teacher in order to teach physics and natural history. It was in the year 1856 to 1863, 7 years. While in monastery, man also did number of hybridization experiments on garden pea. Monastery was रोजन सत hybridization experiment karan on garden pea, Pisum sativum. ये पर इंशाल्लाह बोट कुन ये क्या गो एंड क्या इसको सिलेक्ट गार्डन पी एज हिज एक्सपेरिमेंट प्लांट अत क्या वजह उस को इंशाल्लाह बोट कुन एम 7 वरियन छी कंटिन्यूअसली हाइब्रिड एक्सपेरिमेंट करान क्या जी एम सातन मेडल ओस वायना यूनिवर्सिटी मजन अत गो ये वारे ज्यादा इन्फ्लुएंस दयो साइड छुस नाव फ्रेज अंजर इस नाव Christian Doppler. Now दया कोरी जबरदस्त इन्फ्लुएंस तो अति बढ़ो अमिस इंटरेस्ट for performing hybridization experiments on plants, particularly garden pea is on some monastery garden must grow os karan. Am patan 7 vari experiment करित छो in 1865, Mendel presented his results